Searching for the best smart nano drone with an HD camera feels overwhelming. Everything looks the same online. Same claims, same glossy photos, same perfect for beginners taglines. But the real difference? That's buried deeper than the specs. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones actually fly well, shoot clearly, and won't frustrate you on day one. Product number 1, Loyly X69 2K FPV Drone. First up is the Loyly X69, a compact 2K FPV drone that caught my eye for its balance of price and features at just $54.12. It's lightweight, foldable, and comes with 2 batteries and a carry case, great for travel. If you want a beginner-friendly nano drone that still delivers decent aerial footage without FAA registration hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2K camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle lets you tilt the lens remotely to capture landscapes or selfies mid-flight. Combined with optical flow positioning and altitude hold, it hovers steadily even indoors, perfect if you're flying in your living room or backyard. The real-time FPV feed via Wi-Fi means you see what the drone sees on your phone instantly, so you can frame shots properly. Plus, with under 250 g weight, you skip FAA registration, which is a huge relief for casual flyers. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed instructions and occasional Wi-Fi lag during transmission. Here's the thing though, this drone isn't built for pro filmmakers. It's for beginners who want fun, stable flight and shareable clips. The lag is minimal if you stay within 30-50 feet, and the included spare props and guards help survive early crashes. This is perfect for you if you're new to drones, want something portable for trips, and don't need cinematic quality, just clear, smooth videos of your adventures. Skip this one if you plan to fly in windy conditions or need ultra-low latency for precise control. For under $55, it's solid value. Product number 3, RAGPIP X66 1080p FPV Drone. Coming in third is the RAGPIP X66, a 1080p FPV drone priced at $48.97, making it one of the most affordable on this list. What sets it apart is its optical flow positioning and waypoint flight, letting you draw a path on your phone for the drone to follow automatically. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The optical flow sensor uses the ground's texture to stabilize the drone, so it doesn't drift randomly, even indoors. That means smoother footage and less frustration when trying to hover over a subject. The 90 degrees electric adjustable lens lets you tilt the camera remotely, and the FPV transmission gives you live HD video on your phone. Waypoint flight is especially cool. You tap points on your screen and the drone flies the route solo, perfect for capturing consistent scenic loops. Now, some buyers noted the build feels a bit plasticky and the app occasionally crashes on older phones. Here's the thing though, for under $50, you're getting features usually found in pricier models. As long as you're using a relatively modern Android or iOS device 6 Plus or 11 Plus, the app runs fine after updating. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants to experiment with automated flight paths and stable hovering without spending much. Skip this one if you need rugged durability or plan to fly in rough conditions. For casual exploration and learning drone mechanics, it's a steal. Product number 4, Loyly 2K HD FPV Drone Black Blue. Now, if the RAGPIP X66's plastic feel bothered you, this next one, the Loyly 2K HD FPV Drone in Black Blue, offers better build quality and higher resolution at the same $54.12 price. It's essentially an upgraded version of the first Loyly model, with 2160p video and improved flight stability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2K camera records in 2160p, which is noticeably clearer than 1080p, great if you zoom in during editing or want crisp family videos from above. The optical flow positioning and altitude hold work seamlessly together, so the drone stays locked in place while you adjust the camera angle. Plus, it still weighs under 250 g, so no FAA registration, and folds down tiny for travel. Now, some users reported that the Wi-Fi range is limited to about 40-50 feet before signal drops. Here's the thing though, that's typical for nano drones in this class. As long as you fly within visual line of sight, you won't lose control, and the low battery warning on the remote helps prevent flyaways. This is perfect for you if you prioritize image quality over extreme range and want a reliable, portable drone for vacations or backyard fun. Skip this one if you need long-distance FPV or professional-grade stabilization. For everyday users, it's a well-rounded performer. Product number 5. ASFSFQ 1080p Mini Drone. Finally, the ASFSFQ Mini Drone at $51.55 brings unique features like orbit mode and path flight, letting the drone circle a point or follow a drawn route on your phone. It's sleek, all black, and packed with smart functions usually reserved for pricier models. If you want creative flight patterns and gesture controls in a minimalist design, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Orbit mode lets you set a subject like yourself or a landmark, and the drone automatically circles it while filming, ideal for dynamic social media content. Path flight works similarly to waypoint navigation but with smoother execution. The 1080p camera supports real-time transmission, and gesture control, V for photo, palm for video, makes solo shooting effortless. Now, some reviewers mentioned the instruction manual is vague and initial setup can be confusing. Here's the thing though, once you find the correct app and connect via Wi-Fi, look for FlowXXXXX, everything clicks. The learning curve is worth it for the automation features you get. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with cinematic angles and want a drone that does the flying for you. Skip this one if you prefer full manual control or hate app dependencies. For creative beginners, it's a hidden gem. So which Nano drone should you buy? If you want the best balance of camera quality and ease of use, go with the Loyly 2K HD FPV drone. For fun, interactive features, the Hiturbo S20 shines. On a tight budget, the RAGPIP X66 gives you smart flight modes for under $50. Need sharper video? Stick with the upgraded Loyly Black Blue. And if you love automated cinematics, the ASFSFQ is your creative partner. All 5 are solid, just pick based on what matters most to you.